Okay, so this is now a video of the rear axle all the way back in with the same demonstration before I replaced the shims. This is now, I'm doing this video in a spot where you can actually see the two tires moving, so you can kind of get an idea of what's happening. So here we go, here, get that other one to spin. Okay, so now right now the carrier bearing, the whole carrier, differential carrier, is staying put, and all we're doing is rotating the right side wheel forward, the left side wheel is being turned backwards, the outside wheel bearings are turning, the axles are turning, and all the differential and spider gears are turning. If you compare this to the earlier video that I made, we're way quieter. You still do have differential gear noise, and it makes it in the same places as before, but it's nowhere near as noisy as before I replaced the parts. So I'd say that was a successful repair.